Well, at last we have blue skies, so we can have a look at where all the lights are. But first, let's see what it's like at night. So we've come out to have a look at our lights now that they're all in. And these are the little bulb ones along the fence. Quite good. Quite pleased with those. Not bad at all. If we come up a bit further, we can see little fence mounted ones, just on with double-sided tape. And they're giving a nice little bit of light to decorate there. Up here we have our B1. And again, I should arrange them a little better, but they come out quite nice as well. I should just sort of twist them around. We can change that pattern if we want. One that I'm very pleased with, but it's going to interfere with our filming, is the motion floodlight. So I come out here and bang, it comes on. And look at that, it really lights up the place. It makes it hard for us to see the rest of our path. We can see all down here, we've got the little pedestal ones in the garden. They are actually very nice. We'll have a closer look at one of them in a minute. And up this little path, we'll go up there and have a look. We've got the string of lights, which is actually really, really good, that one. Running up there. One of the small strings of lights over here. I'll probably get another one of these ones and do the other side. Here's our sunflowers, glowing nicely. And up here we've got some multicoloured ones and also the lights on the fence, just sticking to the top of the fence there. It's not coming out very well. They're actually more distinct than they appear there. I wonder if I come up here, I might get a better image of them. Very hard to show, but they actually came out really quite nice. So I'll go down and have a look at the front ones. We've got our little mini lanterns here. They're quite cute, I thought. But it's a bit short, and I might actually move them because you can't see them very well in behind the trees there. Might find a better position for those. And our small ones, they came out really good. So overall, very happy with these lights. A bit shorter than I expected, but we can see it lights down the path really nicely. Makes the place look a little festive, but most importantly, the Lady Curmudgeon is happy with them. First one we have is these little pebbles. They're tiny. They're meant to glow in the dark, but guess what? They don't. They're only $1.30, but I'll leave them there as a little bit of a pink decoration in the hanging baskets. Additional, these little ones I thought were working quite well, but I didn't mention they've got a very small solar panel on them. Out in the full sun, they're not turning on for long at night. And when they do, they are extremely dull. So, not happy with these ones. I'm going to actually put a review up on Temu's site on that, because it's disappointing to say the least. I forgot about these ones as well. And these are quite bright. Look at that. I've got to mount them up on the wall. They screw onto something. I'll find some way for them. But again, they look pretty good, don't they? All cheap plastic. Price will be up there. But yeah, I think they're quite pretty. So what do you think? These look pretty good. Motion light's really good. And some of the other ones are not bad at all. So we had a couple of failures. The ones on the little pedestal and the glow-in-the-dark rocks that don't glow in the dark. But there we go. Do you like lights in the garden? Let me know in the comments if you've got them. What sort of lights? Do you like pretty ones or ones that actually serve a purpose? I prefer the ones that serve a purpose, but we have a Lady Curmudgeon who loves some fairy lights. Remember, like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for me. Enjoy life. I'll catch you in the well-illuminated garden.